Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and hello if you're new. Make sure you subscribe, that way you'll never miss out on another video. Today I'm doing a video that is probably the main reason that my channel even exists, and it's something that I'm very passionate about. It's something that I've been doing on myself for over like 15 years, which is cutting my own hair. I have not let anybody cut my hair in years. I don't think I ever will. Especially learning about the spiritual side of your hair. It's kind of scary to think about letting someone else touch your hair that you don't even know. But then again, there are people out there that are truly artists with the way that they work with hair. But I've never been able to find one that can do that. Anyways, today I'm going to be sharing with you how I'm cutting my hair. So this, it's healthy, okay? It's healthier than it's been in a long time. I let it grow out. If you guys remember, one time I cut it, like, I think it was around November, I cut it like up to here. So it has grown, and on top of this, like, I've cut, obviously trimmed and stuff, so it's grown. I'm proud of it, and today I'm going to be cutting it. So what I'm going to be doing is sharing with you how I cut my hair, an updated version. Let's talk about spirituality in hair. It's not really a tutorial, it's more like I'm cutting my hair. I love to cut my own hair. I want you guys to watch me if you need help or guidance or anything. It's not a tutorial, it's just you guys come along with me while I cut my hair. So I do want to let you guys know, of course, what inspired this whole video. It was this company that reached out to me. It's called Royalty or Us. And let me tell you guys, the first video, if you have seen it, that I did cutting my hair, it was with kitchen scissors. And I do understand today the spiritual aspects, but I do understand today the spiritual aspects of our hair, what it means, what it signifies, and the energies that it carries. And so having that knowledge, I understood why it's important to get the correct tools for something so important that is on your body. So, okay, as you open Royalty or Us, we have this, okay? And this is going to be very beneficial in cleaning these, okay? And then look at these tools, you guys. Let me get into this really quickly for you, okay? So these, I use this for teasing my hair, for cutting my hair, for parting my hair. I love these combs, I love them. And then this right here, I've never used, and I'm really excited to get into it because this is like a, you know, this is something I talked about in my first video where I don't like when the hairdressers use hair thinners. I've never liked them, I've never trusted them, but now that it's in my own hands, I feel like I can get creative with it, I can test it out, I can experiment with it. I love these hair clips. These are so useful. This is what I'm going to be using today. And then we also have these. These, if you have watched my hair cutting tutorials, my hair cutting videos, these are something I have hated for a long time, these things. I don't know what it is, but every time someone used this on my hair became so thin. Oh my God, it became so thin and I hated it, and I just my hair looked sickly, like it looked frail, and I hated it. But now that it's in my own hands, you guys, I think maybe like if I do it myself, I can learn how to use it. And like here, this and this is going to be very good for cleaning up. I really like that they provide everything and then a spot for everything, and if you need to like travel with it, put it in your bag and you're good to go. And they also give you this right here. I'm not going to be using this today, but let me tell you guys something. Okay, this is one of those things that like you put around yourself when you cut your hair. I'm going to be cutting my boyfriend's hair, so this is going to come extremely in handy. Like, I can cut their hair right there, in $30, you guys, it's $29.95. In $30, I can cut anyone's hair. But yeah, I also have a discount code for you guys. If you're interested, head to the description box down below. So here, so here's a little bit of what my hair looks like before. So if you guys have been following me on my hair cutting journey, my hair cutting videos, you know, one of the first things that I do is I straighten my hair. This lets me know exactly how much I'm cutting, where I'm cutting, how it's gonna look, if it's straight. I don't know, just for me, it's a very good guide, like a guiding tool. Okay, now that my hair is all straight, I'm gonna part it down the middle, and I'm gonna part it all the way down my neck. And then you should have a straight line all the way down to the nape of your neck. Okay, so I really love this clip because I'm gonna be working with this section of my hair right now. So I'm going to be clipping this back. I love it. So I do like to use my fingers and go about how much deep inside my scalp I want my first, like the first layers of my hair to be. So these are gonna go to the back. I'm gonna work on those later. And then I'm gonna work on this now. So what I'm gonna do is take this other one and just clip this back. Look at this, you guys. Love it. Next thing I'm gonna do is, if you guys have seen my previous video, this might be a little similar to it. This might be a little bit different. Like that was years ago, and I still use that same technique, but maybe I have like, you know, tweaked it a little bit to my own hair and stuff, but this is not a tutorial. I'm just kind of sharing with you guys how I'm gonna be cutting my hair. Basically what I do is you wanna cover your drain, of course, and then just start to cut your hair over. So what I'm gonna do right now is create my guide, right? Do you guys hear that? I love the sound of that. I probably look super funny in the mirror because I'm like super focused on my hair. I don't know how that's gonna look on camera, but this is kind of what I do. I will create a slanted line, and I like to just point cut upwards so that the bottom part doesn't look so blunt. And like if you have some stragglies, just cut it there. So yeah, that is my first layer. Can you guys see that? Now when you kind of tousle that and then you just kind of flip it over, it gives you that like that Farrah Fawcett layers. And then you can make this as thick or thin as you want depending on how much hair you take and then you cut. So hopefully that makes sense. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side. So what I do is I'm going to just take my fingers and create the other half of that circle. And I always remember that I go right above my ear right there. So that's how I kind of like remember. And then next thing I'm gonna do is take this clip the rest of my hair back, and I'm going to bring this forward. I kind of like to comb it forward a little bit, and the higher you take your hair, the more layers you're gonna have. So again, like I don't want too many layers. I kind of just want to trim. And what I do is I just go in, I eyeball it really, because I do part my hair to the side. It doesn't really matter if both sides are equal because one side always has more. So I kind of just trim my hair according to that. So treat your hair like it's an art. Do what suits you, and that's what I'm doing here. And that's what I've been doing for years, and I love it. So that's why I want to teach whoever, I don't know, wants to take my route. And that's it. These scissors are really nice. Okay, so if you guys see, this side of my hair is shorter. There's a reason for that. Because I flip my hair to the side a lot. So when I flip it, see that? How it creates a shorter layer right there? That's a trick I've learned to do on my hair for years, and that's why I always keep one side shorter, but that's only if you have like a side part. So this is done. I'm basically finished. Now I'm going to take the rest of my hair down, and I'm going to go ahead and part it down the middle again. Again, you guys, this is not a tutorial. I'm just kind of just taking you guys along with me. I'm actually filming this on the day after the full moon. It's Pluto goes into retrograde today, so that's going to be interesting because it's going to be in retrograde until October 6th, and Pluto is like the planet of rebirth, death, transformation. He is the god of the underworld, the god of the unseen. It's just really, I'm just very curious as to what is going to happen. There's a lot of things where maybe we felt that we needed an ending to, which we didn't really need an ending. We just needed a shift or a transformation or a change. So it's going to be interesting from now until October 6th. Keep an eye out. So what I do here, if you guys saw what I was doing, brush my hair to one side, and then I'm going to just kind of trim a nice angle. By the way, my green in my hair has faded, so I might dye my hair today again after I cut it. I don't know, if I have time, I will, but that's basically what I do. Do you guys see how I created that diagonal? It doesn't have to be perfect. You just kind of create a nice diagonal, and then I just like to cut like little chunks from the inside out, which is called point cutting. Because my hair is super thick at the bottom and it gets heavy and I get headaches, so I need to thin it out at the bottom, which I should try these out, but I'm not going to try these out today because I need to have a day where I try these out over like an entire glass of wine, me, alone, no pressure of the camera or anything. I need to do it slowly and take my time, then come back to you guys, maybe having a video on how to use each of these. You know, like I have to do it that way. That's my haircut. I want to let you guys know, look at this. It looks like I gained length when in fact I cut length. So this is why I like to cut my hair like this, because my layers get a fresh, look at this, fresh, new, bouncy, vibrant layers. And I don't lose any length. I don't like losing length because it takes a long time to grow my hair out. I like my long hair. And so for me to be without it, it just felt really weird. I'm gonna do the same thing to this side and speed it up for you guys. Okay, you guys, so that's basically all I do. I know that in my other hair cutting video, I did have extra steps, but I kind of managed to tweak them a little bit to my advantage and not have so many steps now that I've been doing them over and over again for so long. And I want to show you guys the back. All right, guys, so this is what the back looks like. I love that. Do you guys see how it just comes out even? And I love that U shape. It retains its length, the thickness, the fullness. I love that I kept my fullness. But yeah, this is what it looks like afterwards. I love it. Do you guys see the layer right there? That's my shortest layer, and then that's my longest layer right there. It's kind of like 3-step layers, but blended together. And I don't know, I feel like my hair looks longer after I cut it. Let me know what you guys think. If you found this useful, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you real soon.